Okay, let's take a look at MATIC. And as you can see, this particular structure that we see here is present on a lot of altcoins. I think XRP was one that we just discussed, and this is also present on Dogecoin, right? So before I actually get into what's happening here, what you can expect going forward, make sure to subscribe to the FXStreet YouTube channel if you like what we do. We put out content on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. And if you like what I do and have any questions related to technical analysis and the videos that we put out, you can follow me on Twitter at Mangyako with a 0 in the end. I post a lot of technical stuff, the trades that I'm taking, and sometimes on chain metrics to support it, or if there's something interesting happening. So yeah, just hit me up. Back to MATIC, Polygon. Polygon's actually holding up pretty good compared to a lot of altcoins. This 190% upswing that we saw here was good, but a lot of altcoins did not see retracement, and this is something which makes sense after this exponential, not an exponential, but just an impressive rally, right? And also the rallies that typically break above the previous swing highs often tend to retrace to the 70.5 fib here, which is why this is called as the high probability reversal zone. So this ranging from 1.068 to 0.868 is a high probability reversal zone. And since it broke above the swing high of this, right, you can consider this or the body of the candle, right, it broke above it, right, it broke the market structure. So the retracement, more often than not, I'm not saying it's going to do it every single time, but more often than not, a higher probability that it will reverse in this particular area. So yeah, the May 20th, 21st, the September 21st swing low formed after briefly closing below the 0.62 fib retracement level. It tried going higher, but then faced rejection around the 50 fib level at 1.21. And the Chinese news and the news from China, right, the reports which are stating that cryptocurrency transactions are going to be illegal is kind of what's causing this panic sell in the market right now. Although it's not that big of a deal, it's only a 10% downswing. I think it's, if the market comes to sense and realize like China has done this multiple times, then I think we can expect MATIC to consolidate between this area between 0.86 and 1.06. And if by then this market structure of Bitcoin or like the general cryptocurrency market kind of looks optimistic, then you can expect MATIC to bounce off of here and then make a run at the 50 fib, a second attempt to close above it. If it does that, then you can expect MATIC to probably retest here, this particular consolidation. Let's just mark this over here at 1.45, and then you can expect it to reach 1.62. But once we get it close by 1.62, it would mean that we've closed above this particular candle, which is a bearish order block, the green candle, right? That would mean that there is a lot of significant buying happening, right? If we close, let me just, yeah, if we close above this line here or somewhere around here, which is 1.60, that would indicate that there's a lot of buying happening around, and then you can expect like a minor retracement down here, and then retest of the range high at 1.79, 1.8, which was also the swing high formed on September 5th, right? But if the market structure fails to, you know, become better, like if people stop market panic selling around here, I mean, if people do not stop panic selling, then you can expect it to come down here. But a close below the 0.779 fib or $0.868 would probably push MATIC down to 0.77, 0.733. All right, so if it's come down here, it could easily break down to the range low at 0.62, which was last seen on 20th July, right? That would be a dire case and an extremely bearish case.